Today, I will show you how to raise a bed from the dead.
Who says resurrection isn't real? Well, I tell you what, I brought this bed from the dead. A couple of weeks ago, I'd say about 3, a lot of these plants were struggling, even some of these beneficial flowers and pollinators. By doing a few things to amend the soil, I was able to bring this bed back alive to what you see here, jalapenos. First thing I did was I trenched out the whole garden around everything that I already planted. In doing so, I added in some compost and blood meal, and then I made sure I watered through that really well. Then, to keep it on the cheap side, I took just grass clippings here, and I put that over the top as mulch, and that's going to break down and be just fine. I'm not too worried about that. Could have used straw, but sometimes straw has like pesticides and stuff and contaminants or whatnot in it, so I didn't want to go into that because this bed was pretty sensitive already. Why? I don't know. Could have been the soil, could have been some compost, you never know. What I do know is she is fixed, she is growing, she is thriving, she is surviving. And we have jalapenos.